You better shoot that too late. Pillin', willin', toolin'. I get stupid.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know I haven't been vlogging in a while. There's no excuse, just haven't picked up my camera in a while. Sorry about that. Today I'm going to my friend Jake's house. I'm gonna drive to his house. We're gonna drive to my friend Chot's house, and then we're gonna go to a car meet tonight in Milpitas. Yeah, I haven't been vlogging lately. I'm gonna try and get better on it. Like, I wanna make videos, and every time I don't make one every week, like, I'm like, God damn. This past few months have just been really hectic for me. Sorry about that. Vlogging in traffic, you always get people like this over here staring at you. What's up? All right, I'll see you at Jake's house. What's up, guys? Just made it to Jake's house. There's a fucking Corvette out here. Jeez, who's this? This is Jake's house right here. Oh, shit, Jesus Christ. Jeez Louise. Let's go inside. Might be whipping the Stingray to the meat. Oh my God, this thing is fucking beautiful.
Dude, too bad it rained, or it would have been way cleaner. It was like freaking shiny glass black, and then it rained.
Jeez, 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 jeez.
See, mad Snapchat. Someone's grandma's lit with that Supra.
How do I open this shit, dude?
There's a button.
Jesus Christ! Wasn't recording at all. We're whipping the Stingray to the meat. Let's fucking go. Why are you scared of the camera? Come here. Come here. You just don't know what it is. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Chill. What's up? Cha has no idea we're driving this to his house. About to pull up in the vet.
For sure.
All right, man.
Don't worry about it. Like, it's not a big deal.
For sure. I'll see you in a little bit then.
All right, see you in a bit.
There, Cha. Just made it to Chot's house. We're about to grill up some burgers before we go, so we're not hungry. What's good?
Damn, bro.
How you doing, man?
Fucking around and brought the Corvette out. Fucked. Jesus. Yeah, dude, when you were like, whoa, if there were $30, I wouldn't do it. I was like, that's what you think.
Cooking up some nice feed right now.
Yee, son.
Damn. Hey!
What's up? Oh shit!
Hey, young Metro, don't trust you. I'm gonna shoot you.
Woo! Million a week. Hey! I bought her ice off a leech. Ice. Yeah, playing for keeps. Suck up the game, she a leech. Came in the game with a key. My pockets blue at Monique. Ooh, she got the perfect physique. Ooh. I shape a brick to her cheeks. Now that I'm getting this money, I'm fucking neat. Thought that they tryna get karma. Come on. This a good week, I been stacking them ends and I'm snatching that rape in the morning. I was that nigga locked up in the cell and they treated me like I was normal. Taking the look for the blessings that you look at in the form.
Made it to the meat. We out here. We're fucking out here.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can say, if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them.
Like, popped it. Popped the door like, tight.
Wow, dude, it's packed, dude.
A good amount
really
of heads
here.
I didn't really expect it to be that many people, honestly. Look, they're steady rolling in too.
Subi.
Who cares about that? Don't matter if your car's stock, bro.
What's your Instagram? Give yourself a shout out, bro.
Oh, Rico Suave for the Bay, man.
Hey.
I'm on the carpet, I feel like Aladdin. My girl is a rocket, I call her my Jasmine. Okay, well I'm sorry I'm spazzing. While I'm at it, I'm sorry Miss Jackson. But I ain't for real, I'm taking the wheel. Fuck all of this traffic, watch how I pass it. I'm quarterbacking, I'm Jared Goff, and I share the profit with all of my partners. Fuck all of the nonsense, I'm about my business. And they burn the bridges and wonder why nobody visits. But I am too busy just living to listen. Okay, I woke up this morning, poured some Captain Morgan. I put on my rollie, but I don't watch my portions. Scrolling through my email and I see nothing important, so I roll over and do it. Doggy style, tongue out like Jordan. I like memories, we should make some more. I like money too.
Ultra white in this bitch.